In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task hierarchy in Asana. If you've ever looked at a big to-do and thought, yeah, this needs to be broken down, you're in the right place. Task hierarchies in Asana let you split complex work into clear, actionable pieces so nothing slips through the cracks. We'll start by creating subtasks inside a task, then we'll go a level deeper by adding subtasks within subtasks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to structure work so it's easier to plan, track, and finish. Begin by opening a task. You can do this from any project or from your personal task list. Just click the task name to open its details pane. This panel is where you'll see the description, comments, and all the information tied to that task. To break it down, look for the subtasks icon, which appears as a small list icon. Click it or use the keyboard shortcut Tab+S. This instantly reveals a subtask field right beneath the main task details. Type the name of your subtask and press enter to add it. Use short, action-focused names so each subtask is easy to scan and complete. Pressing enter confirms the subtask and gets you ready to add another one right away so you can quickly capture all the moving parts without losing momentum. Think of the parent task as the big outcome and these subtasks as the steps that carry you there. Now let's add multiple levels for a deeper hierarchy. Sometimes a subtask is still too broad and needs its own smaller steps. To do that, click directly on a subtask to open it in its own details pane. You'll notice it looks just like a regular task, and that's the point. It can hold its own set of subtasks. Inside this subtask's details, click the same subtasks icon, the small list icon, to add subtasks within it. You can repeat this pattern to create a clear, multi-layered structure that mirrors how the work is actually done. As you build this hierarchy, keep names consistent and descriptive so it's easy to navigate. Use the shortcut Tab+S whenever you want to move faster. Nesting is powerful, but keep it purposeful. Aim for enough depth to clarify the work without making it hard to follow. That's it. Open a task, add subtasks, and when needed, open a subtask and add subtasks inside it. With this simple approach, you'll turn complex projects into clear, manageable steps and keep your team aligned from start to finish.